In this video, I will give you a complete tutorial of how to use MoreLogin for Remotasks. So if you want to start earning money from training AI through Remotasks, which is a great way to make money, you can see they have over 240,000 people doing the tasks, and the total earnings are over $15 million in 90 plus countries. Now, if you want to get access to Remotasks and start making money from it, and you want to do this through MoreLogin, then here's how you can do this and how you can create your account for free. So first, what you want to do is click on the link down in the description. That is my affiliate link, but when you use that link, you actually get 10% off on the proxy that we need to purchase later in this video. Now this proxy is not expensive, so make sure to click on the link down in the description, and then this invitation code right here will be applied automatically. So the link will take you directly to this page. From here, simply click sign up with Google or sign up with email. Then once you've done that, you will see this screen right here. So please download and install the application, log into the application to create profiles for free. So simply click download free right here, and then here choose which of these ones you use. So Mac, Windows, or Android, which is coming soon. Now I'm on Mac, so I will go with Mac. And now you can see, please download the corresponding Mac version according to the chip that is on your Mac. So if you have a Mac, you need to do what it says right here. So at the top left of your computer, click on the Apple icon, about this Mac, and then in the overview page, you will see what it is. So then the download will start, as you can see right here. Now just go and download it so that it will be an application that you can open on your Mac, Windows, or Android, which is coming soon. So just open up the app once you have downloaded it. Now you can see I already have it right here. So after logging in on the MoreLogin app, it will say, what do you want to use MoreLogin for? So when you want to use it with Remotasks, just go with remote work right here. Then how many accounts are you planning to manage? For me, it will be less than 50. Then how did you find out? Just enter whatever it is for you. I'll enter YouTube. Now click new profile. Now here you will see that you received the coupon if you sign up through the link down in the description that gets you 10% off. So click I got it right there. And now here you will see this profile. However, what we are going to do is click new profile in the top left. Then from here for the browser you go with Chrome, since Firefox doesn't work very well with Remotasks. Then here for the operating system, choose whichever one you use. For me it is Mac OS. Then for the profile number created, just select one. The profile group, you can leave this open, and end-to-end encryption, you can disable this, and then click OK. So now we have created this profile. Now what you want to go and do is here in the account section, click on the edit icon. Then click open the specified web page, and here just enter the Remotasks website. So this is the website, and then just go and click OK. Now next up, what we want to do is on proxy information. This is very important, so click on the edit icon here. And now I don't have a proxy yet, so I'm going to click purchase proxy. Now this is the most important step, so you will need to purchase a proxy. Now in order to do this, just choose the proxy type, so you can go with cloud platform, residential, or ISP. I'm just going to set it to residential and then to Europe and select the Netherlands, since I'm from the Netherlands and Remotasks is available in the Netherlands. Then here for the purchase duration, the longer you get the proxy for, the bigger of a discount you will get. So 90 days gets you 5% off, then 180 days gets you 10% off, and 360 days gets you 20% off. So just choose whichever period you want to purchase it for. For this example, I will keep it at 360, and then just go and click I have read and agreed, and then just read and agree to this, and then click submit right here. Now here there are the forms of payment. So in terms of the payment form, you can do it with a credit or debit card, e-wallet, transfer, or crypto. So just choose whichever one is most convenient for you. If you click more, you will see a bunch more options. So for example, I can click on PayPal and then click on pay now and then go and pay with PayPal. They also have Gcash, M-Pesa, South Africa bank transfer, and a bunch of other options, and most of them are e-wallets that will be very convenient for you. So just pick whichever one you want and go and pay for it. So then after you pay for it, the proxy will be automatically applied to this profile. So once you have connected your proxy and have purchased your proxy and then click start, it will then open up the actual Remotasks website using the proxy so that it will look like you are a new user and you will get access to Remotasks again and you can start making a lot of money. Now in terms of the cost of these proxies, I think it's 100% worth it. So just choose whichever one works best for you and any of them can work, and then just choose the location, then choose the duration. And again, if you click on the link down in the description to get started with using MoreLogin, then you will get a 10% discount on your first purchase. So I recommend doing that. I will earn a commission if you make a purchase, but you will also get 10% off, so it's a win-win situation. So now you know how to use MoreLogin with Remotasks. Again, click on the link down in the description, create your account, download the MoreLogin app on whatever device you use, and then go and set up your first new profile using the steps that I showed you in this video. Then purchase your proxy to go along with this profile, and then click on start in order to get started using Remotasks. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.